Hey guys, Tom here. So you got the Rooster Love. I'm going to show you how to assemble it and how to cook with it. So take it out of the package. First you'll get the rooster. Next you'll get the instructions. You're a man, you don't need instructions. And you also have a burlap sack. So in the package you'll get sunglasses, can holder, 2 stands, the wing, and the rooster. So first what you want to do is grab the stands and bend them 90 degrees on both of them, right on the tab. Next, click it in together like so, on the front and on the back. Put the can holder on. Grab a beer. And pour 3/4 of the can for yourself. 1/4 of the can goes to the chicken. Now we gotta prep the chicken. So you can season it with salt and pepper, barbecue sauce, or chicken rub, anything really. So once you have your chicken all seasoned up, ready to go, grab your beer can chicken stand. Grab the chicken by the bum hole, put it over top like so. Now you want to secure it with the wings. Put the wings over top like so. And you'll also need the sunglasses. You bend it 90 degrees at the tab, bend it top like so, and it's ready to cook. So you want to cook it at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour in the barbecue or oven until the internal temperature comes to 165 degrees. So what I like to do is put the chicken in the oven or barbecue at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your chicken. That chicken was 3.5 pounds or 1.5 kilos. That should take about 45-50 minutes. If you're using it in the oven, use a cookie sheet or your wife will be mad at you. After you're done cooking, let the chicken rest on the stand for about 10 minutes. After cooking, you take it apart. You can wash off or scrub off all the big chunks. Then throw it in the dishwasher and leave the parts bent when throwing it in the burlap sack for storage. And it's ready to go for next time. Cheers.